How to install. Replacing the fuse, use a tool to pry open the top of the power switch. Remove the damaged fuse and install the spare fuse. Installing the brackets. Mounting bracket for large rotary negative pressure RF handle and small built-in roller handle. Install the bracket for the small rotating negative pressure RF handle and the large built-in roller handle. Installation of upper bracket. Needs to snap tightly into the base. Install all 4 screws. Installation on the other side is the same. Align the base of the plastic bracket with the slot on the top of the metal bracket and fix it with screws. Installation of the large rotating negative pressure RF handle. Align the handle connector with the instrument's connection hole. Insert it and fasten the clips. Then pass the connection line through the plastic bracket. Straighten the line from the connection port to the plastic bracket. Cover the plastic bracket and fix the plastic bracket's cover and base with screws. Install the small rotating negative pressure RF handle. Straighten the line from the connection port to the plastic bracket. Let the 2 plastic rings stuck on the ends of the plastic bracket. Use the screws to fix the plastic bracket's lid and base. Install the small and large roller handle. Place the handle on the bracket. The handle connection port align with the insertion of the instrument. Rotate to tighten. Installation of the filter. Insert the filter fully into the instrument connection port. Normal insertion will result in insufficient negative vacuum suction. Filter cleaning method. Pull out the filter with force. Rotate and unscrew the volumetric cup. Clean and dry it. Rotate and screw it back, and insert it back into the instrument. Filter rubber ring replacement. Before inserting it back every time for cleaning, check whether the size rubber ring on the filter is broken or not. If it is broken, please replace it in time. If there is damage, please replace the rubber ring in time, otherwise it will leak and affect the use of air. Ensure that all the accessories are fully installed. Connect the power supply and turn on the power switch. Don't block the air vents when the machine starts. Turn on the power button on the front of the instrument to start the instrument. Select gender. Select face handle or body handle. Select age. Enter parameter adjustment. Adjust time. 15 to 20 minutes for one part. Adjust RF energy, or 3 to 7. Starting from 3. Tap negative pressure. Adjust the suction power. 1 to 3 gears. Negative pressure suction time. 1.0 to 2.0. Negative pressure release time. 0.6 to 1.0. Mode selection. Automatic mode. Manual mode. Back. Display negative pressure value. Display real-time RF temperature. Mode 1 through 4 can be customized to save. Parameters can be adjusted on the instrument interface or directly on the small screen on the handle. Body handle interface. Tap RF and time. Tap photon or red light. Promote blood circulation. B. Blue light. Improve inflammation. RB. Alternating red and blue light. Tap rotation, rotation speed, 4 to 7, angle, rotation angle, 60 to 90. Tap negative pressure, adjust the suction power 2 to 4, negative pressure suction time, 1.0 to 3.0, negative pressure release time, 0.6 to 1.6. Parameters can be adjusted on the instrument interface or directly on the small screen on the handle. Inner ball rod function. 2-handle interface and single handle interface. Operating time. Each additional gear 10 minutes. Rotation speed from the low gears, according to the customer's affordability adjustment. Clockwise rotation and rotate counterclockwise. M1 M5 Decade 5 parameter storage modes or options for recalling parameters. The parameters of the small wheel are adjusted in the same way as the large wheel. The rotation speed adjustment of the big handle can be adjusted on the interface or by tapping the button on the big roller handle to adjust the rotation speed. Use a moist towel. Put it on your hand. The instrument taps the start button. Let the roller roll on the moist towel. Wipe the grease and dirt clean. 1 to 2 minutes. Rotate the negative pressure RF handle. Use a damp towel to wipe the grease and dirt off the handle. Then dry it with a dry towel and wipe it with 75% alcohol cotton pads before the next use.